channel that same energy approaching girls. Show me a girlfriend. And one with
My girl is the BB.
Huh?
Look at you.
Masa.
Look at you. Tonight we go leave you.
Everybody calm down. Yo, bro, don't forget what our mama used to say. If you can't find something to live for, you better find something to die for. Come on, let us find you some lady, you know what I'm saying?
You guys, I don't really understand. The ball that we are playing, what does it come to? Me being taking girl, saying, where is your girl?
She, what's your town?
Listen, the truth of the so, and for tonight, we will leave you here all alone. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. You make it.
Oh, really?
You forget the girlfriend. Man, stop.
Hey, yo.
Oh, yo, Mr. Davy. Mr. Davy.
Yo.
You looking very...
What's up? This is why we call what's up. Yo, excuse me, okay?
Alright, Spark.
Yo, I'm on this to talk.
Right.
Yeah.
Spark. Oh,
It's
that
my
you know,
time, let me spend
Give
it.
me the blow. All you know is to give me Spark fans. If you go find your own girlfriend. Man. You know they see you. When you see for your eye top, you know they see you. Charlie, you talk sense. Don't play again. You ball. Look at him.
Yo, what's up?
Why?
Yo, what's up?
Bro, you the ball. And the advice I make you get a girlfriend. Not be why you ball.
Oh, come on, bro. I told you. You for chill up. Besides, there is a light at the end of the tunnel for you. Don't worry, but you know what? I like your spirit. Papa.
The thing is, my guy, you are no more a kid.
It's okay.
Why are you doing this to yourself?
Michael, I'll get you one.
Hey,
Huh?
Nice
Oh,
one.
really?
Fair one.
Please, I beg you.
I will.
Don't try this at all.
Why?
But if you this guy on what the fashion is him say, won't you crazy?
you teach him.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'll teach you myself.
Then
Oh,
my
really?
guy, don't disgrace yourself. As for this one, dear, if you play your cards well.
Charlie, we for bet. Let's bet. This
You
guy
really
will
want
fuck
to
up.
bet on your
Yeah, he will fuck
brother?
up.
Oh, no.
I know him.
I'm too old for this shit. Come on.
That.
You made a mistake. You should have knocked him right in the head, not on the leg. Why? Oh.
He's so silly.
Yo. What's up? Everything okay there? Yeah, how about your client?
Who is there? He's shouting for love.
The thing is, I don't know. When I try to call,
He doesn't even know what to say. You call who?
Masa, I'm telling you straight. We buy the internet with money. So when you come around, you can't just be using our internet just to touch ladies, to see their tits, their boobs, even their buttocks. You wasting our units and our money.
Bro, I don't even understand this.
Why will you be doing that?
At this time.
don't say something,
Masa,
please.
I shouldn't say
Masa, a poor man is no friend to the rich man. If you don't work hard,
But
you won't work with us again. I'm telling
life,
you.
This life we live by love. Like you can't live without.
I'm telling you. Everybody knows that we scam. I'm telling you. You can't be among us and you'll be doing nothing.
Bro, listen. Let's hear me out. Are we chatting for love or we are chatting for money? What is he talking about?
Our time is money. We bought the units, the credits with money. Everything was with money. Money. The people love us because of our money.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll try it.
And you kept on wasting our time, our money. Why? Be serious, man. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious like I'm actually there. Be serious. I'm kidding, my nigga. I'm kidding.
I couldn't find it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. I changed the position. I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I was carried away by the movie. Yo, how far?
It's a new hand.
A new one.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Straight. Yeah, me processing it later. Why? Yo, give me some glass. I would like to sip some wine.
this guy.
What glass people are in chance and a crown or new client to the new year. We go to watching me, you know, copper glass in the blow. Let me speak.
Let me go.
We are about to have money. Money. Something.
Hey. Sorry.
What's wrong with you? That is that for the woman.
Yo, what's up?
Bro, you know see.
What?
You know before a woman got us.
What?
So can't you go outside and find your own? What is that?
Was that what you were doing?
He was peeping.
You were peeping on my lady's buttocks?
Oh,
Yes.
Over me again at
you
all.
can't do that. Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Who go too far?
I peep, man. There is nothing wrong with it.
This guy, I like his character. Always there is nothing wrong with anything.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah, you heard him.
Matthew, don't worry. As I promise you, I'll do it for you. I'll give you a nice lady. Ask me to give us for yellow purple.
This one. Man, I'm bad at video say you need to mind your words, so mind your words. I'm not here for
Is he
that.
lying?
I'm not here for that.
Is he lying?
I said calm down. Eh?
That is the truth.
Calm down.
What
Don't
is
mind
that?
them.
Yeah, darling, never mind them. They never grow up.
Relax. What?
Scatter that devil, no. Make client to that trap. Yeah. Yes.
Let me see. What? Let me see. How much? Let me see.
How much?
Let me see.
Who's so scared about
How do you not believe him?
You just check it out. Check it out. Yeah, it's back. Check it out. Wow. I bet him.
Bro. I want it for you.
Yeah.
Wow.
You need something. I need more of this dressing, man.
You need what? You dey chat for love, they chat for affection. When someone dey chat for money, they come say,
client to that trap.
Bro. Come on, relax. Hey, bro. Listen, relax. You know the deal. You know the deal. Wait there. Wait, bro.
Yeah, you see that? I don't know what to do. Yeah,
bro, relax. You know the deal.
I
know the deal.
I feel like walking on my leg.
Bro,
I feel like
relax.
walking on my
You
head.
know, hear me out.
I said I feel like walking on my head.
Bro, I don't care if you walk with your hand or with your mouth. I don't care. You know, you see.
Yeah, give me my phone. You need to. Yeah, give me my phone.
Oh, bro.
I told you. Work hard.
So where the party be tonight?
No, forget about the party. I told you.
Why?
Work hard. You don't work hard.
Bro, but I'm still trying.
You're still trying. Your mouth is not sweet. Your mouth is not sweet. You are not trying enough. What you are trying is not enough. One on your deck. Oh, free. One on your deck.
Bro, so right now, what do you want me to do? But you have to teach me what I should do. Come on.
You know what? Let me tell you. With money, even ghosts, cats, dogs, even lizards will claim that you are their friends. If say who is car, and Jinamwa and could trade Nabeka so young Quenon into Pisca. So who is car? Emma, Omuna, into Pisca, Moanonia de. Jan some phone out to our way and them wow. Munya some move west to Unisquano, near Scammers. Pisca. She. Oh, fui. My catch now. So, Sika. Emma. And you will not. So, Sika. Why you so be your well, bro? Look for money. There you are sitting there. Always eating.
Mind you.
Eating for nothing.
Yesterday I had a new client.
Hey, enough.
And you didn't tell me what.
Enough.
I wanted to surprise you guys. So now, your surprise is in and my surprise too is in.
Yo.
I'm not for some.
I'm not talking to you.
You had a new friend.
Yes. Me.
It be fake. Provide evidence.
Yo.
Make you check for the phone. Provide evidence.
My phone is not.
Why? It sounds funny, you know, when ladies leave guys who love them for guys who doesn't even love them. It sounds funny, you know what I'm saying?
Get a point.
Oh yeah, that's a point. Oh, Benja Bema or Penaho.
That means this life, you know balance.
Balance. Hey yo, what's up?
Hey, Sister Debbie. Fresh babes.
Hey. Yeah. Welcome.
Thank you.
This is what we call Beamer. Sit upon my Beamer. Sit upon my BMW. That's what's up. Yo, jeez. Yo, Empress.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks, yeah.
Yo, sip.
It's okay.
Oh, really?
Okay, yeah. I'm fine.
So,
I'm just greeting
hey, Emma Munya Botre, and the Agrone Bemufi, Mamun to American Copra. Yo, what's up with you people? Calm down, you know? Yo, Empress, what's up? Who is this lady?
She's Safira.
Safira! Really?
Maybe I was talking about my friend.
Oh, interesting. Safira, trust me, you're looking good. If not, my wife is here, I would have said you're looking lovely.
Don't go there, please.
No. Why will I go there? At night, who will I be with?
Spark.
Yeah, that's what's up. So, what's up with Safira?
Cool.
Oh, really? So, can we go inside? Can you leave Safira?
Okay.
To my boys and
No.
Oh, really?
Let me do introduction. For Lucky.
Really?
Yes. Because I'm a woman of my word. At that time, I promised you people that I'll
Did I hear you say for Lucky or for Lucky?
Lucky Makel. For Makel.
So it's not for Lucky.
Or Lucky. But you already have one. Both of you.
What you go take and do?
It doesn't concern you. It doesn't concern you.
This one there, you know.
Yo. You for appreciate your brother is about to have somebody to roll with. What's wrong with you people? Appreciate. Yo, when you be money.
Hey,
Yo,
Lucky,
let's toast, Lucky, let's toast. You got Safira.
Finally, it's about to go down.
Oh,
It's about to go down.
What is this now?
Oh, Charlie, make it come closer.
Yo,
Why?
Lucky.
You don't fear the woman.
Chill up, bro. Chill up. He who finds a good thing like a wife finds a good thing. Like money.
Leave them alone.
This time around, you are lucky for sure.
Oh
You
yeah.
are lucky for sure.
He who finds a good thing like a wife finds a good thing like money. That's what you got, bro. Chill up. Yeah, shake it up.
Good, yeah. It's
Yo.
okay.
What's up? Yo. Go get my lady some.
Let me go get it for you.
Yo, ladies, let's chill up. Let's celebrate. What's up? Yo,
I can't-
turn on some music. Yo, everybody, yo, where the cigarette at? Yo, bring everything up.
Hello, baby boy.
Oh, this girl cry.
Hey. Why are you all alone here?
Nothing.
You can't tell me nothing.
Why is she imposing herself to me too much?
You know I like you, huh?
Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Why?
It's like I'm not feeling well.
Feeling well.
Yeah. Have you eaten?
Yeah.
What food did you eat?
Oh my god. Rice.
Rice.
Mm-hmm.
With what?
Stew.
Stew?
Eh?
What stew?
You know what? I don't have time for all these things. I just want to
Wait,
show you
wait,
something.
Wait. Did you eat yesterday?
Of course, yes.
In the evening?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this morning, what did you do before coming here?
I want you to do something for me.
What?
Let me show you.
What?
Oh, relax. Hey. Don't you feel
It's
like?
okay. It's okay.
Hey.
You know, we are outside here. Let's go.
Alright then, let's go inside.
But she's fine though.
Is that how it's like? Oh, come on, I said money is problems. The more money you have, the more problems.
Best course. Hey, why? Let me go sit for you, man. You know, blessing her. Go sit for you, man.
Calm down. What's up?
Then jump. My guy. Mayu, what's up? Look at how, bro, you know.
Yo,
My guy. My wife is the woman sit for you.
you know how it goes. Having a good conversation, it's like having a good meal. Satisfy yourself. The lucky boy. Satisfy yourself. If you really want to walk fast, you walk alone. But when you want to walk far, you walk with others. Yo, let me have a talk with you. sweetheart. Oh no, I'm coming. I'm coming, please. That's the way it goes. Love is sweet. Yo, what's up? Trini. You, what's up? You asking why? Don't humiliate me. It's about time you begin to think like a man, behave like a man, and sleep with women like a man.
But bro, if you didn't sleep with women, what are you trying to tell me, that you are not a man? We are all men.
Really? You know the reason why they have always been laughing at you? They laugh after you. You know the reason why? If it's your muddy, you know they have eaten from the fruit of the tree that was forbidden. It was forbidden before, but now people are eating from the tree. It's about time. Wisen up. Be one. And I've got some medicine that can fix you well.
Medicine for what?
Yeah.
For what?
For your cowardness, for your timidness. I want to groom you. I want you to be a man. Sleep with them like a man. So nowadays, you know, this youth, their best round is 2. You know, me, when I was young, I used to go 99 rounds, you know, every day, 99 rounds.
Bro, listen. Wait.
What?
If I may ask, is sex medicine?
Yes, exactly.
That's my big bro. That's my big bro.
Aphrodisiac.
Now I'm
I
getting you.
want to arise those that are asleep in you. I will rise you.
Bro.
Yeah.
You are spoiling me.
Yeah, have a look. You see this? You see this?
Yeah.
I work hard to get this. I spent most of our money to buy this. So I have been using it, and I want you to use it too. Yeah. You know the reason why they call me the Don, always making things super duper.
But you've never told me this.
Oh yeah, I got something behind. Everybody got secret. Bro. Your secret is your power.
Now I do understand why Sister Debbie loves you.
No long talk.
Sure.
Correct it. And go and use it.
How should I use it?
How should you? When you
Should I drink it?
No, when you get there, you know how to use it. Don't worry. As you can see it, it will tell you how to use it. Go. Come on.
Bro!
Let's not waste my time. Let's go.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
Let's not waste much time here. Let's go. Okay.
I'm not going.
Oh, okay.
I'm just giving you a break.
I hope everything is okay around here. I see.
Lucky.
I guess you got a remedy. Give her the medicine. Overdose her.
Why?
Huh?
That's
What did you do?
Overdose her. Her love is overdosing.
Lucky.
Go and overdose her. Yeah.
Shall I show you?
Overdosing.
No, juju be that.
Overdosing.
Bro, let me juju be that.
Which kind of juju?
You said we have to come inside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's next?
Man, but, do you want to take a shower?
Oh, alright. I'm going. Freshen up. Coming.
Yeah. You know what I mean. Hi. Hey. Oh, wow. I love black. Wait, let me take a shower.
Alright. I'll just relax. Wait for you here. Okay.
Why you fast asleep? Sanfina. Upon all your braggings. JB. Sorry. Come on. Stop pretending. You like giving thanks. Sarah. My first girlfriend. Stop pranking me. Sarah. Serafina. Babe. Hey. Babe. Hey. Babe. Come on. Serafina. Serafina. What? Are you playing jokes with me or what? Hey! Jesus!